Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Tuesday. Prices overnight are unchanged and low volume. I think the market's looking for two things. Number one, any news that comes out about U.S.-China trade relations. Expected to see more soybean sales, U.S. to China today on the daily basis. But in bigger terms, the State of Union address tonight could focus at least part on the U.S. and China trade deal and all the other trade deals. And so again, China has promised to buy $30 billion annually of U.S. ag goods. So previously in 2017, they bought 19.7. So they're going to have to buy some things that they don't normally buy. The problem is, as far as soybeans are concerned, they can get most of the soybeans they need now from Brazil. The other thing I think the market's looking for is the USDA's report on Friday. The market is starving for information. It's really tough to see us break out of this 940 trading range in beans, 370, 390 in corn, and 5 to 540 in wheat. Because number one, the farmer has a record amount of corn and beans to sell above the market. And number two, how long will it take for China to agree to buy, and how the shipping period and what impact that's going to have prices. So if they do buy some stuff, we could test the upper end of the range, but the farmer's there to sell. If they announce they're not buying us, we break, and the farmer could actually push the market lower in March when they need to sell grain to pay for bills for 2019. South American weather looks better. Some showers in the dry areas of Brazil, some dry weather conditions in Argentina. Now the only hot spot, I guess, is Australia, Queensland, where they're seeing flooding. Could be losing 22,000 homes in the flooded areas, and also some of the wheat will be sitting in water for an extended period of time. Doubt if that really moves the needle in the wheat market very much, but it is something that is globally a weather issue. We're going to have some ice overnight in the U.S., colder temperatures that could cause some logistics problems both on the river and moving by truck and rail. But again, that's short term and not expected to be a long-term issue. Northern Hemisphere weather in 2019 is still expected to be quote-unquote normal. So we'll see how that affects prices. So again, we've got the possible of daily sales to China. We're awaiting any news on China-U.S. trade deal. We're waiting USDA's Friday's crop report from January and February. And then we're watching anything that comes out as far as movement of money in and out of the equity markets, in and out of the bond markets, in and out of the currency markets, and even in and out of the metal markets. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.